In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Whop customer support. If you're ever stuck on something or need help with your account, knowing exactly where to go and what to click can save you a lot of time and frustration. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few tips on what to include in your message so you can get the best possible support. First, you'll want to go to your Whop home dashboard. This is the main page you land on after you log into your Whop account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in using your usual details, then navigate to your dashboard. Think of this page as your control center on Whop. It's where you see your memberships, products, and any relevant account information. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on, so all the options are available to you. Once you're on your home dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there, usually represented by your avatar or an icon, along with a small drop-down arrow. Click on that profile drop-down. This opens a small menu that gives you access to various account settings and tools. Take a second to make sure you've opened the correct menu in the top right, since Whop might have other buttons on the page. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Help and Support. This is the direct gateway to contacting Whop's support team. Go ahead and click on Help and Support. When you do this, a support window or page will open, where you can start a conversation or submit your question. If it takes a moment to load, just wait until you see a text field or chat style interface appear. Now, click into the text field that appears on the screen. This is where you'll type out your query. Try to be as clear and specific as you can. For example, briefly describe what you're trying to do, what went wrong, and any error messages you see. You can also mention what device and browser you're using if it seems relevant. Once you've written your message and you're happy with it, hit the Send button. After you've sent your query, keep an eye on that support window or your email, depending on how Whop replies. And that's all there is to it. From your home dashboard, to the profile dropdown, to help and support, and finally sending